Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, oh my god, I know I look absolutely insane and I have fangs so I can't really talk. But for today's video, I'm going to be filming my entry for the NYX Face Awards 2018. Now last year I did enter, but I didn't do like an actual dedicated video to enter. So yeah, I didn't make it. But this year I wanted to go all the way off and actually audition for the Face Awards, and I'm really nervous because a lot of the people that compete in the Face Awards are really amazing. So yeah, it's a little bit nerve-wracking, but yeah, this is my Queen of the Dam inspired look. I did do this look last year for Halloween, but I ended up like putting so much work into my look and I didn't end up going out. I did take pictures though, but I wanted to actually make a video and recreate the whole thing, but in a different way, like very evil goddess vampire, like just Aaliyah times 30. Like I wanted to do something really crazy, like veins all over my chest, veins all over my face. Obviously I did do a really sickening cut crease, and yeah, some sickening contour. I actually do not have any highlight on, which is insane to me, but yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I worked really hard on this entire look. I did the wig myself, I made the headpiece myself, I made the earrings myself, did the nails myself, I did the heart by myself. I did everything by myself, girl. Literally entrepreneur status, like girl, I did all of this by myself, no help whatsoever. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video and wish me the best of luck because I really want to make it onto the top 30 of this year's Face Awards. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy. So if you want to know how to get this sickening look, then please keep on watching. I just realized I was not recording at all. So right now I am completely barefaced. I have my wig cap on. I am completely naked. Only half naked, but naked. And I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to be doing most of this video in voiceover mode simply because I want to concentrate as much as I possibly can. I have like ADD, and when I just start talking, I literally just start rambling. I know a lot of you do not like videos that are in voiceover mode or don't like it when I do voiceover mode, but just for the sake of me concentrating and getting this video right, I am going to be going a little bit in voiceover mode, but I'm going to be coming in and out of voiceover mode, you know, talking a little bit, explaining something, but mostly I'm going to be doing the whole thing in voiceover mode just to let you guys know. That's not something that you like, then sorry, but I just really need to concentrate. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Before I even start doing anything, I'm going to be covering my brows with some glue stick, and I'm going to be rubbing them with some alcohol, so yeah. So once you've cleaned that with alcohol, right now I'm just going to be covering my brows with the Elmer's glue stick. Now there are a bunch of videos on how to do this really good and perfect, but I do this my own way. So right now I'm just going to be adding like a bunch of different layers. But like I said, if you have trouble, make sure like you Google a video because there are a bunch of different videos on how to do this correctly. Then right now I'm going to be just drying that. And once that's dry, I'm going to be setting that with some translucent powder. Then I'm going to be color correcting, and I'm just going to be using an orange concealer for this. You could use a red lipstick or a orange lipstick, just something to cancel out the blue from your brows. And once you've done that, I'm just going to be setting that with some powder. And for foundation, I'm going to be using the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Natural. And I'm just going to be putting this all over my face basically. And I'm doing the whole beauty guru thing where you just put like a bunch of drops on your face. And honestly, I totally forgot how full coverage this foundation was. Like, I don't know why for some reason I stopped using it, but it's actually really full coverage and nice. Like, I totally forgot how full coverage it was. And I'm just going to be using a beauty blender to buff this into my skin. Now I'm just going to be putting on some concealer, a very light concealer, since we are doing a very vampire death look. I want to make sure that the concealer is very bright, and I'm also going to be pulling it back to give me a more defined cheekbone. And then right now I'm just going to be cream contouring my nose, making sure that my nose is completely and utterly snatched. And then I'm also going to be doing the exact same thing on my cheeks. And for my cheeks, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be pulling my cheeks lower and actually contouring, kind of like a reverse contour. I kind of want to go for a very villainous, dead, skull-like contour today. I have no idea what inspired me to do this, but I guess like I just wanted like really extra cheeks. And right now I'm buffing the contour, making sure that everything looks blended and nice. As you can see, I am blending downward to give me a more heightened cheek, like a more deeper and hollower cheek. Then I'm going to be cleaning up the edges with some concealer. And then I'm going to be setting that with some powder, making sure that everything is completely set so that I won't move later on. Now moving on to my eyes. Right now what I'm basically going to be doing is just mapping out where I want my eye shape with some black liner. And yeah, this part is a little bit tedious because it's a little bit hard knowing where your eye shape is. So yeah, I just drew some little dots, and I'm gonna be drawing out the line of where I want my cut crease. This is actually really beneficial if you don't know how to do cut creases and all that. You could always just map it out and then, you know, go on with eyeshadow after. And as you can see, I fucked up right there. I don't even know what that was. Now for some reason the green eyeshadow is black, and I think it's because I'm using a green screen like an idiot. I used green eyeshadow while using a green screen, and it totally messed up the entire look in the video, but in the pictures it does not look like this, trust me. But yeah guys, I'm going to be using the green from the Vivid Brights palette by NYX Cosmetics. I'm really annoyed that it looks like muddy and gray. It's not muddy or gray, it's actually green. If I take off the green screen, you could see that it actually is green. So yeah guys, I'm so sorry about that. I'm like such an idiot. I totally did not think about like the green screen and the whole green eyeshadow thing. Never doing a green screen again. But right now I'm just going to be buffing that color into the cut crease, and then I'm going to be using a darker green to deepen that. And then right now I'm just going to be defining the entire cut crease with some black, making sure that it's extremely defined and very, very intense. And then I'm also going to be connecting it to the end of my wing. Then I'm going to go back with that dark green just to blend that out a little bit more. Then with a big fluffy brush, make sure you just blend those edges out. Now going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Liquid Liner, I'm just going to be filling in that space that we have there for our liquid liner, making sure that we coat our complete eyelid, well not our complete eyelid, but most of our eyelid, because this is a really crazy eye look, and this is one of my favorite eyeliners like in the world. Now moving on to the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I'm going to be going in with that same dark green that we used to define our cut crease. And then I'm also just going to be making our lower lash line a little bit more elongated and cat eye and just way more cunt than usual. I always do it like this, but for today I'm going to be extending it even more. And then with some black liner, I'm going to be making that even darker and more defined. And then going in with that same dark green that we used, we're just going to be diffusing that black, making sure that it's nice and smoky. And now I'm going to go in with some red and pink from the NYX Vivid eyeshadow palette. I just want to get like a very like red under eye, very infected type, tired looking. And then I'm going to be lining my waterline with some NYX some NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, an iconic eyeliner. Literally everyone has used this. Then I'm going to be going in with the NYX Liquid White Matte Eyeliner, and I'm just going to be going in the inner corner and filling in that space that you see right there. And then going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Super Clicky Matte Lipstick in the shade Risk Taker. That was a mouthful. I'm going to be getting a thin liner brush, and I'm basically just going to start drawing on some veins with this product. This is a really good cream lipstick, and it's perfect to draw on veins. As you can see, like it looks really like realistic for some reason, and I don't know, I just decided to grab the lipstick and try it out, and honestly it like did the job so well. As you can see, I'm drawing on some veins under my eyes. And if you don't know how to do this, honestly, just Google some pictures or Google a YouTube tutorial. That's literally how I learned. So right now I'm going to be doing the other eye off camera, and I will be right back. Alrighty guys, so we did the other eye. Is it sickening? Maybe. Right now I'm just going to be going over top our cream contour, and I'm just going to be darkening it and making it way more dramatic than what we did with the cream contour. I really want my cheeks to be extremely hollow and very high up. And then I'm going to be getting a fluffy brush and just making sure that it's completely blended out. And I'm going to be doing the exact same on my nose, making it very pinched, very snatched and contoured. And then I'm also going to be contouring my forehead as well, making sure that we look as snatched and as feminine and cute as possible. And right now I'm just going to be drawing some veins coming out of my cut crease. I just wanted to go for a very queen of the damned infected look. I wanted to do Aaliyah, but like an infected crazy like Aaliyah. And then I'm also going to be drawing some of the veins coming out of my forehead. So yeah, this is really easy to do. Honestly, it doesn't really take much skill or practice. I literally learned how to do this like today. So yeah. And then right now I'm going to be using the NYX gel liner in Cold Bat Blue, and I'm just going to be contrasting with the red veins, making it very, very realistic. When you have red veins, you're going to have blue veins or even green veins. So I just wanted to make the veins look very realistic by adding at least like a couple blue veins. So yeah, as you can see, like it's starting to look a little bit more realistic. You don't have to do this step, but for just a little bit of realism, I would recommend it. And then right now I'm going to be using the NYX glitter primer, and I'm just going to be adding some like gold glitter. I wasn't going to do this, but I'm like, you know what? Something's missing, and I just wanted to add some pop to this look. And then I'm going to be going back with my black liner just to take some of that glitter out. And then right now I'm going to be dusting off all of this powder. So right now I'm just going to be adding on some lashes. These are my custom drag lashes. I absolutely love these lashes so much. I made them myself. If you guys want a tutorial, let me know because I would love to do that. And then right now I'm going to be adding on some bottom lashes as well. I could have gone for a bigger lash, but honestly, I really like how it turned out. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. And now for the lip, I'm going to be doing a very, very dark burgundy lip in the like center of my lip, kind of giving like a soul eater type of look. This is a very Korean styled lip. I know a lot of people in like Korea and Asia and all those places, they do this kind of lip. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, this lip is very popular. It's called the ombre lip. And yeah, I wanted to do it for this look to kind of make it seem like, you know, all I do is eat blood and hearts and all that. So yeah, and then I'm also going to be adding some of that NYX cream lipstick in the center. And then I wanted to just go all out and draw some blue veins coming out of my mouth. Like this is very Jennifer's Body like type of look, I don't know, but I wanted to just go with the full drama and add some veins coming out of my mouth. Now for the final touch, I wanted to add some veins on my chest, my collarbones, everywhere. Literally, I just wanted to make this look insane. You could skip this step. Obviously, you don't have to add veins on your chest, but I just wanted to go full out and just add a bunch of veins on my chest. And then I'm also going to be adding some of the blue veins as well for more drama. And then right now I'm just going to be coloring my collarbones with some red eyeshadow just to give more drama. I love drama. I love going the extra mile. And this is what it looks like. I love it. I love it so much. Alrighty guys, so this is the makeup portion of this look. I'm like, I shook myself, to be honest. Like, girl, stop messaging me. I honestly like really shocked myself. I really like how it came out. So now I'm going to be putting on the rest of this look, and I will be right back. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed look. Now I do have a list because of these things over here. look. I hate like wearing things because I can't really talk, but this is the completed look. Do have one nail missing as usual. I always have something missing. But yeah, guys, I am like so obsessed with this look. Literally last year when I did this look for Halloween, I literally did a recreation of Queen of the Damned, like portrayed by Aaliyah. And I never went out that night, and I spent so much money on my costume, and I didn't end up going out. But I'm happy that I brought it back for this video. Literally, I'm serving you some goddess Queen of the Damned realness. Like, I shook myself. And I really hope you guys enjoyed it too. So yes, this is my NYX Face Awards entry. I am like really nervous because I did audition last year, but I didn't do an actual video dedicated to the NYX Face Awards, and I didn't make it. So this year I really wanted to go off and you know, showcase my talent because I really want to make it on the top 30 of the NYX Face Awards. So I'm literally filming this and editing this literally in an hour to post it today. So yeah, because literally the 27th is tomorrow and that's the deadline. I'm literally like the biggest procrastinator ever. But yeah, this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Wish me luck. I really hope I make it. I'm gonna pray that I make it. And yeah, if you have any other ideas you want me to do, anything that you have in mind, let me know down below and I will get to it as soon as I can. My Instagram and Twitter is MorphineLove MUA, and my Snapchat is MorphineLove. I will be putting that down below as well. I love you guys so much, and please stay safe.